if you guys been following me for a long time, this is like what my eyebrows look like when I don't do my eyebrows. But I just opened the blinds, and it's Sunday morning, so we're going to be going to church soon. We go to like the last church service at our church, so we don't have to wake up so early. But I just opened the blinds in the living room. Get some and today we have to at least pack some stuff because we're moving in like 10 or 11 days, I think. I'm not sure anymore. But I have to pack up my son's room. So we bought his laundry detergent so that we can get that stuff done. I'm really tired, you guys. He kept me up all night. Like, he was just moving so much. I was so uncomfortable. But we have his laundry detergent so we can wash all his stuff, take the tags off everything, and start packing it in 2 boxes. And when we are not in his room, we keep like a blanket and stuff over his crib. It's like old wives' tales and stuff. Like, it's just, my family just wants me to do that, so I'm just going to do it. So yeah, we have some stuff to pack up for him, and just basically his entire room. And my husband's eating some cereal right now, and my arthritis, my knee is killing me, so I'm going to be walking really, really weird today. But I mean, I really want some eggs, but I'm not sure. Eggs does sound good. I might have like some eggs and bacon and waffles. That sounds really good. And maybe just like eggs and bacon, because I've been having like waffles like every single day. But yeah, we're gonna be going to church pretty soon, so I'm going to get ready, enjoy my morning a little bit. I just wanted to update you guys, and then I'll pop back on here when we are getting ready to leave for church. Alright guys, so this is my breakfast. I have 2 waffles, and I made some scrambled eggs, and then I have my prenatal vitamins, and I have some sweet tea that we get from Walmart. Another reason why we are moving is because we don't have a dining room table, so I have to use my table, this zebra table. I've had this since I was, I think, either in middle or high school, maybe even elementary school, but yeah, it's still with me till today. But yeah, we don't have a dining room table, so we either sit at our island or we sit in our living room and eat. He has his own table as well, but my husband, he just had some cereal, but I'm really hungry, so I wanted waffles and eggs. But yeah, this is my breakfast, and after I eat, I'm gonna relax for a little bit and then get ready for church. Hey guys, so I look completely different now, but we're getting ready to leave for church. So let me put back my slippers. My husband's brushing his teeth, then we have to go. But my back is literally killing me. Oh, okay, so what I have planned for today, I'm thinking, like I said, about doing his clothes and washing them and then getting them folded and everything and packed away and packing up his room. And I did find a can of paint in our storage, so I really want to get the dresser painted. That's if I have energy. You know, maybe I can do it while the clothes are washing. So that'll be fun because I have like everything else I need. So maybe I'll do that. But yeah, we're getting ready to go. So I'm not really going to take you guys in church because I feel like that's like rude. But we have like a pretty big church. I mean, I can take you guys along in the car and drive with you guys there. And then I will see you guys after church for us to start packing some stuff. So I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so I forgot to show you guys, I wanted to show you guys my outfit for church. I'm just wearing a jean jacket. I have my hair in a bun. I'm still getting used to like the top bun, the high top buns. I started wearing them a little bit more this year. And then I have a maxi dress. So yeah, our church is pretty casual, so yeah, so that's what I'm wearing. Do you want to show them what you're wearing? So this is hubby's outfit. So we're getting ready to go, like I said, and I'll bring you guys along in the car. I don't know how like high I need to like hold the camera for you guys, but I'll figure it out. This camera is just really heavy. I just need to get like a small little Canon. That would help so much more, but we gotta go. We just got home from church. I just put back on my pajama top because I literally just put this on this morning before I started the vlog because I have on like a different nightgown. But I loosened up my bun so I don't get a headache. And church was really good. So you guys know I have rheumatoid arthritis, and if you don't, yeah, I have I have really bad rheumatoid arthritis. It's very difficult for me to walk actually right now. I can't really bend my knee. In church this morning during morning worship, they were anointing people with oil, and they had like prayer warriors like praying over people. So I went up there because the further along I get my pregnancy, it seems like the worse it gets. So the only one who can fix this naturally is God. I don't like to take medications because I don't want to put that in my body as I grow my son. So I'm open to taking medications obviously after I have him, but just I want to have everything naturally and just cleanse my body of any medication. So I went up there and it was lots of tears, and I got really emotional because I really need to be healed. I'm in a lot of pain, but other than that, church was really good. I really like the service today. So we just got home. I am going to go through his clothes, take all the tags off and everything, but I'm just going to relax for a little bit and eat a little snack, and then get started on that. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I have all his clothes here. Some of them don't have tags on them because I got them like some of them like off Facebook Marketplace and stuff. If you guys want to know more like where I got all his clothes at, I will link my baby haul down below. But I'm just going to go through and see which ones have tags and stuff so that we can get his clothes washed today. this one from Target. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. This was for 3 to 6 months, so this will probably be like a pajama for him, or just like to be around the house, but this is so adorable. That is all of his clothes. It's literally like a huge mountain of baby clothes. So yeah, I'm going to get these going in the washer. I think I'm going to be too tired to even think about painting a dresser today. So I think we're just going to wash those, get them dried. Sorry, I'm like really out of breath. Get those dried up in the dryer. Then I'm not sure if we're gonna pack it. Guys, like my energy level is just terrible. We'll probably put those in the dryer, either let them just come back in his room until like another day to where I feel a little bit better, or if I'm feeling up to it, then I will pack up his clothes. I mean, like his room is super easy to pack up, honestly. Like it's super easy, so I might as well get it done. I'm also going to wash his hats that's in here, and like his socks and mitts and washcloths and bibs. Again, if you guys want to see the baby haul that is on my channel, I will link that down below. I'm gonna go get these in the washer and then I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm eating lunch now. I have a load of his laundry in the dryer and then another load in the washer, and then I have to do another load. He had literally, it filled, like, I didn't fill it all the way to the top, but it was to the top. I had to put it on a large load, almost super. He has a lot of clothes. In his last load, I'm gonna put in his 2 blankets, because like the last load, it's not really that big. My hubby's, he's cooking his cookies. But I'm just having a Jamaican beef patty right now for lunch, and I'm also having, sorry, that's just my lipstick, some sweet tea. And earlier I was eating some Dove chocolate. But my twin sister that you guys have seen all over my channel, if you guys have followed me for a while, we actually just did a video together. I'll link that down below. We did the twin telepathy challenge if you guys are interested. She's coming over with one of my nieces, my oldest niece. She's 3, and then I have another one, she's 2, but she's at my aunt's house, so she's at her great aunt's house. So my sister said that she might stop by, so if they do, I can get them on the vlog. Yeah, I'm going to eat my lunch and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so now my sister's here with my niece. I'm gonna come up like so you guys can see. Say hi, Mama. She's just like, let me on, there's my sister. But I just finished his, well, I just took out a load of his laundry. I'm about to put another load in the dryer, and then his last load is going to finally go in, and then we should be done. I'm going to probably just pack up his stuff another day. So to go ahead and end the vlog here because now my sister's here, my niece is here, so I'm going to spend some time with them, and I'm getting exhausted. And then I have to make dinner soon, so yeah. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I know my camera is not the best for vlogging with because of like the temperature, aperture, and stuff. I have to just get like a regular tiny little camera that I can vlog with, and that would help out so much better. But for now, I just use my camera that I record all my videos with, and it's very heavy, so it's hard to do like a long session of vlogging. So yeah, but go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment down below any video suggestions, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.